Hello, CatsGarden&Kettle friends. The weather continues to not give truce. It stopped raining just now. It's been on and off. I think I saw a rainbow somewhere, but there was like few minutes of sun, like throughout the day when the rain would stop. But there's still, I can see water. I live on a hill and I can see the fields filled with water down there. So, in this video, I will continue to show you what the weather has been around here in my area, and I use the channel as a visual reference. As this is for me to in the future to know how things were and what happened. So hop along with me. Let's go. When Storm Kristen hit, um, I was without electricity or water for more than 50 hours. The electricity came first, but the water had problems, and only approximately half a day after came back. So I was 3 days without being able to shower properly. And luckily, I managed to get to a friend's house that offered me a shower and a place to do laundry. So, um, and that felt like the best thing ever happening in my life. Yes, but the shoe is here. So yeah, it's the smallest things that we take for granted, like having electricity, having water, being able to have a warm shower, being able to cook, um, all those things. We're trying to clean the roads. That's why they're trying to clean the roads. The roads are still. This has been a week after Depression, Kristen, a few days after Leonardo, and we're going to Marta now, and there's still a lot going on. The storm calmed down a little bit. See the water down there? That's not rivers. It's not a river. Those are farmers' fields completely flooded. Let me see if I can get a better angle. So, I don't even have the word for it. It says it was warm like 15 minutes ago. It was warm. Now it's freezing. I am freezing. The wind is so cold. You can't, and it's raining. Mild rain. Like the weather is just shifting constantly. There's just no rest. And this is okay. This is fine. What's not fine is everybody that has lost everything and still has no electricity. Whoa. Did you see that? I wonder if the camera picked it. That was a lightning. Look how dark it gets when the storm clouds are coming. It's been on and off. Now the wind is rising and the rain will come again. It's been rain on and off. The birdies are trying. The clementines are still on the tree, but the oranges are and the avocados are almost all gone. And it isn't over. It's storm after storm. The earth is tired, full of water. It's not being easy here in Portugal for these past few weeks of January and February, and it's not gonna it's not gonna stop anytime soon. And there are still people without electricity, without water, and there's flooding in several parts of the country. Like, it's insane. It's insane. I'm just out here until it gets really bad, and then everything is starting to get burned from the storm and the cold. All the trees are losing everything. I think this is the worst start of a year that we ever had, that I have recollection of in Portugal. I managed to close the windows just in time. Just in time. I'm going to close everything, make sure everything is secured, and I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go inside because it's only gonna get worse. It's raining hail. So the things you see dropping are little balls of ice. So if if everything wasn't having a hard time already, now with hail, just woohoo! Like, what I am lucky here is that there's so much humidity and so much water that the hail quickly melts, but still, it's freezing cold. I mean, come on, we deserve a break, I think. I'm. I don't know if you can hear the rain outside. It's rain and ice. It's hail. I I don't know. I'm expecting the toilet to flood anytime now, and it's like almost 2 a.m. Yes, it's another night of me not sleeping. Um, yeah. Jeez. Yeah, and it's really, really cold. No wonder there's hail. At least we have light still. There's light. Yeah, this is going to. Yeah. I mean, how are people supposed to have a break to rebuild anything or to take care of anything? It's just the weather is just not permitting, and this is the morning of 7th of February. It's Depression Marta or Storm Marta, whatever you want to call it, and yep, floods, winds. Um, we're okay-ish. We're okay, but there's water everywhere. And yes, Even inside the house, there's a bit of water, not that much, but there is. Because fortunately, we cannot fix things until the weather gets any better. And mind you, I still have electricity. Because if I don't have electricity, then I wouldn't be able to clean this like this. But because I mean, even if it's daytime, it would be really hard to see. But it's daytime. It's 8 something a.m. So you can see the water on the wall. You can see the water coming out of the wall. This is fine. Everything's fine. I'm like those memes. But yeah. So normally, the water is coming from under the house again. But if you would see like that everything is starting to get flooded, you would go, "Oh my god!" And I'm like, "This is not that bad. This is fine. We can handle this. We can clean this. This is fine. It's just like a little pool of water. We can just clean this." And you can see it's not from the pipes, because if it was from the pipes, this would not be still, and this would be like the water would be coming up. It's not, it's just coming from under the house foundation, or it's just the walls are absorbing the water, or the water, I don't know. I don't know. Yes. Yes. It is 8 a.m. I have slept, what, 1 hour? But this is fine. Cool. This is fine. I just keep cleaning it. Yeah, we just have to clean. And keeping everything above the ground that will ruin itself. So you'll notice that I don't have anything that's not ceramic or plastic. That's why I'm not panicking, and I'm not taking everything out from the toilet except the dehumidifier, which I already took out because that's electric and that's dangerous. But I've learned many years ago here in this climate that plastic in the toilet is your friend, and in the rest of the house as well, because it's easy to clean. And if something happens, you can just clean it and sanitize it with bleach, and it will be okay again. So everything is movable. That is my laundry basket. It's also plastic, and it's also a little bit above the. So it's okay. So as you can see, everywhere is plastic, and I've been sanitizing things with bleach. So everything is more or less okay. But this is the type of reality people are not prepared for. February 8th. It's just mild rain today. Thank heavens. It's just, I mean, yeah, Birdie, rain is not good because half of Portugal is flooded. But hey, this is way better than yesterday. Sadly, the rain is not gonna stop. And the days have been gray and dark. 4 weeks. The sun tries to shine a little bit, but it's been very hard. But still, this is Sunday, February 8th, and it's calmer than we had in days. February 9th. Keeps going, the rain keeps going. This is very quiet and very mild, but it continues, it doesn't end. And it's going to get worse in the next couple of days again. Lots more rain. We don't have a break so we can fix things. So everything is pretty much still a mess. And yeah, I keep trying to clean stuff inside the house and taking care of what I can. But with this weather is very hard. Vitamin D is depleting fast. We need the sun back. Let's go inside because the rain is turning. Haven't it been for all the chaos and all the destruction going on? This is pretty. I still love rain, but I'm tired. We need it to stop. It's too much water everywhere. And it looks like it's evening or it's going to be night soon. No, it's just 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Still, it's not that bad today. Not that bad today, people. Okay. February 10th, it has been raining strongly all morning, but now it's the afternoon and it's just raining like just little tiny particles. And this is where we're going to have periods of rain and the sky completely covered in fog or just periods of wind. So this is what we're gonna have all the week. So if I want to go do something, I have to accept the fact that it's going to be raining. And there's nothing we can do about it. So yeah, and you could say this is winter, yes, but this isn't a normal winter. We haven't had this in 50 years. This amount of storms, this amount of water. So those of us like me that are only here for decades do not know this. It's the first time I'm having such a horrible winter. Yes, wind. Okay. It's not that bad. Today is fine. I'm okay with this. This isn't scary at all. And yes, it's taking a mental toll. I can't do laundry. I can't open my windows when it's like this due to the winds. So yes, it has a mental toll. I can't do laundry. Can't dry anything. There it's high humidity, so The house gets moldy. I keep trying to clean, but it's everywhere. Um, yes, it is not easy. And I'm going to go back inside because the rain is turning on me. Okay. So tomorrow maybe I'll be able to go into the garden, see the damage, and think about how I'm gonna move forward because there's a lot of things that need to be considered. Because these will be more frequent. This will be the new norm. So I need to think about a lot of things, and I will share with you when I can. If you've watched the video till here, thank you because it was a long one. But this is the reality we are facing right now. I am going to have a nice soup that I made with stuff from the garden, and I hope the people that are having floods can be. I hope nobody else dies. I hope people don't leave animals behind. Yes, people still are leaving animals behind. And it makes me sad. It makes me sad for everyone. Um, this isn't over yet. I will see you next go. Bye.